Like this video and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on you while you're sleeping. The way this worker lays an entire floor within mere minutes while using some epoxy. This worker is able to precisely cut this patch of grass with laser-like precision using his weed whacker. This worker demonstrates how to very satisfyingly fill holes with a scraper. This dirty rug gets the much needed deep cleaning it was practically begging for, and it's rejuvenated to its original color. Water transfer dipping, aka hydro dipping. This worker applies a thick coat of concrete to these walls to bring them to life with some texture. The tool/mechanism that is used for harvesting wild blueberries. Ever wonder how tennis courts receive a new paint job? This worker demonstrates just how satisfying and easy it can be. This popcorn ceiling being satisfyingly scraped off. This tree cutter shows us the most thoughtful and elaborate way to cut down a massive tree. The steadiness of this painter's hand, as well as the sheer precision used to get every inch of paint covered. This paver uses polyethylene foam to level out this uneven pavement, making it safer for pedestrians. Squeezing a giant brush that was soaked in paint for a paint job. The oh so satisfying laying out of these pre-installation sealant for installing a brand new windshield in this car. This worker demonstrates how to lay down a brand new tile floor for this brand new shower located in a renovated bathroom. How much grime this power washer is able to get off of his front patio. The way this worker is able to precisely, yet oh so quickly, shear the wool off of this sheep. When a sheep is getting a haircut, or all of its wool cut off, it is called shearing. When you're a highly skilled decorator and a highly skilled painter, this is how quickly you can expect to complete projects like this. A demonstration of how cracks in floors can be fixed with quickset and rapid settling concrete. This person puts a water-based joint filler on top of this hardwood floor to improve durability and make sure that the floor lasts for a very, very long time. This tool demonstrates how it makes it possible to fill in large concrete cracks with one simple motion. Yet another person that has mastered their craft. Observe how quickly and how satisfyingly this worker is able to lay out this brick wall, precisely getting all of the concrete where it needs to be evenly. Having very large and tall plant foliage in your backyard means that somebody is going to have to take care of it and maintain it, and these two workers demonstrate exactly how good they are at doing so. The satisfying and very skillful process of laying down molding between two sets of brand new tiles. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to leave it a like rating and subscribe to the channel so that way you never miss an upload.